In this video I will show you a beautiful star stitch pattern for blanket. Let us start. Two color I am using for this blanket pattern. Beautiful star stitch I will show you in this video. Let us start. I am using medium weight 4-ply wool, two colors, 4 mm G6 crochet hook, measuring tape we will need. I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool. Make a loop, 4 mm G6 crochet hook, multiple of 2 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 24 stitches. Gauge of wool, 4 chains, 1 inch medium weight 4-ply wool, and I have 6 inches. Start the star stitch. Skip the first stitch. In the next stitch into back loop, I have 2 loops. In the next stitch insert hook and pull up a loop. I have 3 loops. In the next stitch pull up a loop. I have 4, 5 and 6. 6 loop, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have 6 loop. Yarn over and pull all 6 loops together and chain 1 to close the star stitch here. In the same middle little hole, eye of the stitch insert hook and take a loop, pull up a loop and insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop. I have 3 loops. In the same base of the stitch I have 4 loops, and in the next 2 stitches pull up a loop, and I have the same number 1 2 3 4 5 6 loop. Yarn over and pull all the loops together and make a chain 1. I have the star stitch. In the same eye of the stitch insert hook and pull up a loop, and into the side of this loop insert and take a loop. Here I have 3 loops. Insert into the same base of the stitch I have 4 loops, and into the next 2 stitches pull up a loop, and I have 6 loops together, 1 2 3 4 5. All together make a star stitch and chain 1 to close the stitch here. Follow the same work. Insert into the eye of the stitch, insert hook into the next stitch here, insert hook into the next base of the stitch. I have 4 loops. Insert hook into the next chain and into the next chain. I have 6 loops on hook. Make together and chain 1 to close this star stitch. Repeat and follow the same work across till the last stitch. Okay, I have in 24 stitches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 star stitches, and make a half double crochet into the base of the same stitch. Okay, 2 chains and turn work. These 2 chains we count first half double crochet, and now in the eye of the next stitch here, in every eye of the star stitch middle make 2 half double crochet in the wrong side, repeat 2 half double crochet, skip the next stitch, skip this stitch here in the eye of the star stitch middle, make a half double crochet 2, skip this stitch here in the eye of the star stitch middle, here in the middle little hole, make a half double crochet 2 and then continue work, skip the next stitch in the eye of the stitch, make a half double crochet 2, skip this stitch in the eye of the stitch, half double crochet 2, into the base of the last eye of the stitch, a half double crochet 2 and skip the next stitch in the last loop, make a half double crochet 1. In the next you can continue the same color, I am using white color, make a loop and change color. I have 2 row 3, chain 3 and turn work. Now skip the first stitch here, in the second stitch back loop, pull up a loop, in the next chain stitch pull up a loop into the same stitch here, both of the stitches, and pull up a loop. I have 4 loops, and in the next 2 stitches pull up a loop. I have 6 loop in row 3, and all together all the loop and make a chain 1, close the star stitch, top of the stitch make a star stitch here, and now follow the same work, insert hook into the eye of the stitch and pull up a loop, insert hook into the stitch here, pull up a loop, insert hook into the next base of the stitch here, and in the next stitch pull up a loop and the next stitch, and I have 6 loop, make together and chain 1, close the stitch here. In row 3 follow the same work, in the eye of the stitch pull up a loop, in the next side of the stitch here pull up a loop, into the base of the stitch pull up a loop. I have 4 loops, into the next stitch pull up a loop and the next stitch pull up a loop. I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 loop, all together 6 loops, and make a chain 1 to close the star stitch here. Follow the same work across, repeat and follow the same pattern, follow the same work across till the last stitch. For every star stitch I have 6 loop all together and close the stitch with a chain 1. Follow the same work across till the last stitch. At the end of row 3 I have the same number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and make the last 10 star stitch, 3 loop 4 5 and 6. I have 6 loops all together and a stitch here. Now 1 half double crochet in the second chain in row 2, top of the second chain make half double crochet 1. Row 4 2 chains, and this 2 chain we count first half double crochet, skip this stitch in the eye of the stitch here, skip this half double crochet stitch in the eye of the stitch middle, make a half double crochet 2, skip the next stitch in the eye of the stitch here. In row 4 2 half double crochet as we have done in row 2. Follow the same work as row 2. In the eye of the stitch, make 2 half double crochet, skip the next stitch. In the eye of the stitch, make a half double crochet, 2. Continue and follow the same work across till the last stitch. At the end of row 4, skip the next stitch. In the eye of the next stitch, half double crochet, 2, and skip this stitch. In the next top of the stitch, make a half double crochet. Here 4 row. Now repeat and follow 2 row for the pattern of this star stitch. In the right side, make a star stitch. In the wrong side, repeat the half double crochet row. In row 5, repeat the same row as row 3. Make 1, 2, 3. 3 chains. Skip the first chain. In the next chain, pull up a loop, and in the next chain, pull up a loop here. And now in the base of the stitch, pull up a loop, and the next 2 stitches, pull up a loop. I have 6 loops, and tag together all the loop and make a chain 1. Here a star stitch. Repeat and follow the same work as row 3 and 4. In the right side, make a star stitch pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 loop all together. Close a stitch with a chain 1 in the same base of the stitch and in the side of the next loop, in the base of the stitch. In the next 2 stitches, make a loop and chain 1, close a stitch. Now from here for the star stitch, repeat and follow row 3 and 4. In the right side, repeat the star stitch. In the wrong side, half double crochet. Continue work 1 half double crochet in the first 2 chains. We count first stitch. In the last stitch, make 1 half double crochet. Follow the same work for this blanket pattern. A beautiful star stitch, easy pattern. Continue work. Okay, we have completed this beautiful star stitch pattern. You can easily to make this smaller or bigger size, multiple of 2 stitches, and make this beautiful star stitch for blanket. This blanket pattern, for more details, a complete blanket pattern of this star stitch in my website, link in the description box. Like and share this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.